Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone supports live wallpapers and that battery or performance modes won't block animation. Once done, pick your source: phone gallery, a live wallpaper app, or a short video file. Make sure to grant storage and display permissions so the system can access and render the asset. Then open Settings or the Wallpaper app and navigate to Home Screen or Lock Screen options. Start the selection process now. Don't skip permission prompts because they prevent later steps. Now you configure the chosen asset. Preview the animation and trim to a smooth 3 to 15 second clip so it loops without jolt. Make sure to set scale and crop to match your device aspect ratio. Use 16:9 or the phone's native ratio to avoid stretching. Once positioned, enable optional touch or motion effects if the phone supports them, because that adds interactivity and preserves battery efficiency. Confirm looping settings and preview full screen so you can fine-tune. Apply the wallpaper to home, lock, or both and watch the preview to confirm placement. Then test common actions. Wake the screen, swipe between pages, and reboot once to ensure the animation persists after system events. If it reverts to a static image, make sure power saver is off, the Wallpaper app has background permissions, and the file format is supported. Convert video to MP4 if needed. If problems remain, reinstall the app or clear its cache. Then retry these steps to lock in the live effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.